Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today we're going to be making us an epic barbecue chicken wings in my new way oven. And I'm going to show you some of these ingredients that I got going on here. And guess what we're going to be using? Yes, right, you guessed it, Sweet Baby Ray's. And we have some adobo. We have some smoked hickory. We have some poultry seasoning. We have some garlic granulated, some granulated onion powder. Excuse me. Some black pepper. And oh yes, we do have some cinnamon. Followed by some smoked paprika. Alright guys, and I have some chicken wings right here. I don't know how many I should have did the logistics on it. I have roughly around about 6 or 7 pieces, no, about 9 pieces of chicken wings. So we're going to go ahead and start with the smoked paprika. No, we'll go ahead and start with the adobo first. I'll put the salt stuff on there first. So we're going to put like a teaspoon of this on there. We go in with poultry seasoning. We're going to just put like about a teaspoon of that. Probably a teaspoon of everything pretty much. Garlic, teaspoon. Granulated onion powder. Do like a teaspoon of that. We go with the black pepper. Do a half a teaspoon of that. That's the only thing, it's a half a teaspoon so far. Yeah, right. Alright. We'll go with the smoked paprika. We're going to put a tablespoon of that in there, because we want some smoky taste to it. Okay? Alright. And we got this liquid hickory smoke. We're going to put tablespoon of that in there. Now you guys want to do this overnight and mix this stuff up and let this chicken like marinate. Tastes a whole lot better. So I'm just going to go ahead and get in here with my hands. My hands are clean, so that you know. And just get to tossing these bad boys around. Okay. Well, let me wash my hands off. Cut that up. Okay, so I'm not going to do this on camera because it's going to be a second. Okay, I should have did this first. So this is what I normally do. I just take the knife right here and I grab it like this and I cut, then I twist the knife slightly like this. See? Just like that. Alright, so let me see if I can get some of this seasoning off this knife. So let me take this up. This is the bottom of the pan. So if I can so you guys can see. Just put them on there like this. Make sure the seasoning on there well. Okay, we're almost done here, guys. Let me turn this way, so you guys can see the next little step that I'm going to do. Get that little piece of hair out for that one. Sometimes you might miss one. Okay. So I'm going to move that around here. Wash my hands up, and all we're going to do is take some of this seasoning, this cinnamon. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit on there. I say about half a teaspoon maybe, not even that much, a quarter. Alright, take some brown sugar. Just a little bit. This is about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Just going to sprinkle some of that on there. Help caramelize this chicken a little bit. Normally I mix it up. I do have my own mix. Barbecue seasoning. Alright, see you guys in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay. Cook time 20 minutes. There we go. So guys, it's cooked. Then you have to put it on cook time. And then put how long you want to put it in there. This is going to take probably about 17 minutes. I ain't going to even lie to you. So in about 10 minutes, I'm going to turn them. I'll see you guys back about that time. Let me see if you guys can see that up there. Okay. Need a new camera. Alright guys, I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. This on 10. This is what I'm going to do. See all this steam that comes out of there? So, because I'm nice. I don't normally show all my tricks now, but I want you guys to win. This right here is water and apple cider vinegar. And all I'm going to do is just spray a little bit on here. Okay, that's it. Just like that. I normally use this like when I'm grilling outside and stuff. Sometimes I put a little beer in it, or sometimes I put like a soda or something in it with the apple cider vinegar. Alright, that's 10 minutes. Let me show you guys this 10 minutes. Y'all won't think I'm cheating or lying. Okay? Now it may go longer than 10 minutes because I got to flip it. So I probably do 20 minutes and then 5 minutes on the other. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We got 3 minutes left on here, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause it. Take this out. Take this off rather. See how pretty them wings look? This is what I'm going to do for them 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on these. I've been cooking for a long time. Since I was a little kid. 7 years old. So I don't think y'all gonna try to catch me up on that. Because I'm telling you, when I started I was 7. Cooked for my mother one time and it was over with. God rest her soul. Oh, and I did want to add, you know, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I want to give a shout out to everybody that had breast cancer or suffered from someone lost from breast cancer. It's tough, trust me. My mom passed away too. She had cancer too. So I feel your pain. I feel your pain. That's why I be putting that pink on my thumbnail for that reason. Shout out to the family. Y'all know who y'all are. Yeah, buddy. I need to go in that kitchen and start making this stuff. I'm trying to tell you. It's no joke. I guarantee you. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust and believe. Okay, I'm done with the barbecue sauce. I'm getting too carried away. I'm going to pour it on there. I don't want a whole bunch of barbecue sauce. But that's good enough. Okay, we just put the thing back on there and let that cook for the last 3 minutes, then we'll flip it. Okay. Make sure that on there. Alright, start. Alright, see you guys in about 3 more minutes. A minute. Okay guys, I'm back again. Alright. So we're just going to turn these. Turn them over. We want to cook the other side. Although these are done, completely done. They were done after that 20 minutes. So if you guys don't have a New Way oven, you better go get you one, because these things works good. Really good. They was not lying on TV. Them infomercial or whatever the case. They ain't endorsing me, but I'm just telling you the truth. Keeping 100% real with you. I gotta come off there. Alright, put this back on there. And spray this down on this side. Just real quick. Alright, put this on there. I'm gonna go ahead and do 6 minutes on that side just to make sure it get a little crispy. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. It was 6 minutes. Ooh. Smells hot. Just barbecue sauce on here. And if you guys want me to cook something very expensive, I'm not hustling, because I'm broke. I got a cash app. So if you guys want to go on there and cash app me something and tell me what you want me to cook you. This everyday right here, food that I do all the time. I try not to like repeat. I have so many recipes, it's ridiculous. Like you may see me do some more chicken wings. I got thousands of recipes. Cause you always can do something different. Eventually I'll get around to doing reviews and taking you guys shopping with me and all that stuff. Right now this I work very hard to bring you guys these recipes. And editing all that stuff. When I first got into YouTube, I mean it's fun, it's still fun, don't get me wrong. If it weren't for you guys, excuse me, if it weren't for you guys, I'd probably been done. But yeah, it's not easy as everybody thinking it is. That you finna just get in YouTube and get rich and all that stuff. You can't get in there in YouTube and think you finna get rich and stuff, because they ain't the plan. If that's what you're doing, you might as well go ahead and quit. Unless you got you something very, very good to do, something talented at it or whatever. YouTube is a platform where you can grow your own business. And I got a lot of like cool people be trying to show me certain stuff. You know, I'm not business minded at all, but I'm getting there. Gotta crawl before you walk, right? I think that's it. So let's put this lid back on here. Just trying to make sure all this stuff is covered. Alright, I'm not using the lemon because I use the spray. I don't want to too sour to the chicken and anything like that. I just want a little tang to it, which the barbecue sauce is going to do anyway. But alright, cook. Put it on for a minute this time. I did it again, didn't I? Alright, cook. Alright, cook time for a minute. I don't know why is that so hard to do. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is. The best epic barbecue wings in a new way oven. If you ain't got one, you better go get one. Show you here's those right here. I don't know if you can see that. That's how those turned out. Here's my plate. So I have some rice-a-roni, some chicken rice-a-ronis, some green beans with some bacon pieces on it, and the chicken. Okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like it, please share it, and tell all your friends and family they better get themselves over here in VELDOGGS Kitchen so they can learn some of these recipes. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Let's get cooking.